Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix leaky headlights, taillights, turn signals, things like that. So let's get started. So to start, let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. So these are my turn signals, and if you look closely, you can see there's all kinds of water. That's on the inside. So this one was even worse. This one you can see it's even pooling up in there, which basically it just looks bad and it can cause your lights to short out. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that, because this is a common problem with old cars and even some new cars. So let's get started. So to start, I'm going to show you guys what can cause this leaking in your headlights, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be caused from the gaskets or the O-rings that separate the housing from the actual light. So I'm going to pull these out for you and show you guys how my gaskets or O-rings or whatever you want to call them, what kind of shape they were in. So we got both the turn signal and the running light out, and as you can see, this gasket, I mean, obviously it looks old, but it doesn't look too bad. But this one over here, you can see it's cracked. Actually, it's completely split right there. So this is obviously where the water was coming in. So I'm gonna get these off and show you guys how to fix this problem. So we got all the gaskets off. As you can see, here are the old ones and here are the new ones that I'm replacing them with. I already replaced the O-rings on this light and this light, so these should be all good. You can find these gaskets. I found this one laying around in the garage from an LED light that I replaced my light with, and this one I ran to AutoZone, and actually this is fuel injector O-rings. So I just picked up a pack of these, and I was hoping that they would fit, and with enough force you can actually get them on pretty tight. Let's get all these gaskets on, and then I'll show you the next step. So with enough persuasion and help from the screwdriver, we got this O-ring on. It was a little bit too small, but we finally got it on. We got this one on. It's pretty easy. But now we don't just want to put them back in the wet lights, right? So to get all this condensation out, we're actually going to stick these in the oven and keep them in the oven at 250 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes, or just until you see no more condensation in your light. And I'll be back with you guys after I do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after about 15 minutes in the oven at 250 degrees, you can see there's no more condensation. It all dried up, evaporated. So now let's let them cool down for a few minutes. They're already pretty cool. And we'll put in our lights with the new O-rings and install them back in the car. All right, boys and girls, we got our lights back in. The gaskets look pretty good. Looks like they're sealing pretty well. So let's go install these and hope they keep all the water out. Okay. Left a bit. Our daytime and our blinkers. Alright, so both the lights work, so we are all good. I hope you all found that video helpful. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel, comment on if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.